Saya Dr. Widya Parinita, SE-MPA, dosen dari Program Studi Manajemen Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing dari satu mahasiswa bernama Nurul Isnaini dengan judul skripsi pengaruh work-life balance terhadap kebahagiaan dengan dimediasi oleh self-esteem pada guru SMK swasta di Kecamatan Mampang Perapatan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Nurul Isnaini from Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics, University of Jakarta. I want to present about my research proposal seminar. First of all, the Honorable Supervisor 1, Dr. Widya Paramita, SMPA, the Supervisor Research 2, Rizky Firdausi Ramadhania, SMPSM. I want to present about my research proposal seminar. The effect of work-life balance on academic mediate self-esteem in private vocational high school teachers Mampang Perapatan District. Chapter 1, Introduction. Republic of Indonesia Law Number 12, years 2003 concerning the national education system, stating that embodiment of education is conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process to it. So the student actively develop their potential. According to Sambayar Sophia Rajugu, 2019, teachers are professional educator whose main task is to educate, teach, guide, direct, train, assess and evaluate students in early childhood education. For research background, a teacher was once faced with the phenomenon of the COVID-19 pandemic since the coronavirus outbreak broke out in society and all walks of the world, resulting in delay in the process of learning activities. So there are introduction from the Minister of Education and Culture of the Republic Indonesia as stated in Circular Letter Number 4 of the 2020. Learning from home through online or distance learning is carried out to provide experience meaningful learning for students. Apparent interesting phenomena from native research 2012-2022, it was found that teachers who were not ready for change, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. To provide information about the factor that influence teacher happiness, research conduct research on 30 teachers who teach at private school in Mampang Perapatan district. One problem that is considered by some teachers to affect their happiness is the work-life balance they have while being a teacher at school. In fact, quite a few teachers have the intention to move to a school that is better in terms of salary, comfort, or career development. But the other line, they don't feel like they have to leave the children where they work. This is from an online survey of 4,100 business executive from medium to large organization in 33 countries, revealing that 56% of respondents choose work-life balance as the high key to career success. This is from an survey to report and the statistic jakarta.go.id in 2021. DKI Jakarta experienced a decline in the happiness index measurement released by the Central Statistic Agency or BPS, where it was ranked 2027 out of 334 province in Indonesia. This is pre-research result of factors that influence happiness. Factors that influence happiness are self-esteem with a percentage of 34% and work-life balance with the high percentage of 38%. Research background. Have you ever felt unhappy at school where you work? Figure 1 to 1.1 illustrates that as many as 53% of teachers have felt unhappy at the school where they currently work. Research background reported on the Statistik Jakarta.go.id page 2022. Jakarta experienced a decline in the happiness index measurement released by the Central Statistic Agency. Research conduct pre-research on 30 respondents, namely teachers who teach at private vocational school in Mampang Perapatan District, South Jakarta. This area was chosen because on the dapod.kemdikbud.go.id page 2022, this area ranks second in terms of the number of private vocational school teachers. Results of the interview and pre-research have additional workload at school, so they don't have a balanced time. 2. Unhappy caused by several things that make him uncomfortable. 3. Feeling himself worthless when unable to optimize his role. Sometimes there is feeling of wanting to live or move. Problem formulation. 1. Is there an effect of work-life balance on self-esteem? For private vocational school 3 teachers in one district, and the other of 3 of problem formulation. Research objective. There are 4 research objectives. This is a new research journal source, Aviatin Akhtar, 2018, Jack Working Model, Method SAM Analyze using Amos version, 2022, Novelty, title, The Effect of Work-Life Balance on Happiness Stroke Self-Esteem in Private Vocational School Teacher in Mampang District. Subject Education Sector in Mampang Perapatan District. Object Private Vocational School Teacher Analysis Tools Partial Whisker. This is number 2, new research. This is number 3 of new research. Chapter 2, literature review. Division of this is the theory background of definition of happiness. Happiness is defined as an individual's condition which is in a positive aspect, positive feeling, and to achieve authentic happiness, the individual must be able to identify, process, and train and use the strength and virtues they are in every life. So this is a conceptual definition of happiness. Happiness is a state of a person which include happy, pleasant mood and motive and emotion, feeling well-being, and having a positive attitude. Operational definition of happiness. Teacher happiness is a positive feeling that a teacher has within himself, so that he can pay attention to, have a sense of fine, positive emotion, and maximize the potential he has in various jobs. This is for dimension and the indicator of happiness. 1. Engagement. 2. Job satisfaction. 3. Effective organizational commitment. This is for indicator of 3 dimension. The definition of work-life balance. Work-life balance is the degree to which individuals are able to balance and are equally satisfied in terms of time and psychological engagement with their role in work-life and personal life. This is for conceptual definition of work-life balance. Work-life balance is an individual who can balance work and personal life. Operational definition of work-life balance. Work-life balance is when you can divide your time between work demands at work and personal matters for your partner, parent, family, or friends, and there is no conflict between the two roles. This is for dimension indicator work-life balance. 1. Work interference with personal life or with WIPL. 2. Personal life interference with work or PLAY. 3. Personal life of enhancement or WPLE. This is for indicator from 3 dimension of work balance. understanding for self-esteem. This is from the definition of self-esteem. Self-esteem is also defined as a person's positive and negative self-evaluation or the extent to which a person believes that he is valuable. Conceptual of definition of self-esteem. Self-esteem is a form of someone someone appreciating their abilities and believing that they are valuable. Definition of operational self-esteem. Self-esteem is an evaluation of or self-assessment made by an individual regarding him or himself or someone's self-acceptance. This is from dimension and an indicator of self-esteem. 1. Self-competence. 2. Self-liking. This is for indicator about two dimension of self-esteem. Grand theory. Grand theory is a basic theory that can explain the research paradigm. The grand theory in use in this study is the set point theory. Set point theory predicts that over time we will still feel happy regarding of our life circumstance. A person's a person's level is satisfaction in life does change depend on internal or external factor. This is about theoretical framework, the influence of work-life balance on self-esteem. H1, there is an effect of work-life balance and all self-esteem. 2. The influence of self-esteem and happiness. H2. There is an influence of self-esteem on happiness. 3. The effect of work-life balance and happiness. H3. There is an effect of work-life balance and happiness. Effect of work-life balance and happiness through is the self-esteem as a mediating variable. H4. There is an influence of work-life balance on happiness through self-esteem. This is from relevant research result. There is 12 reference. Chapter 3. Research methodology. Place of time of research. Research place the private vocational high school located in the Mampang Perapatan District, South Jakarta Administrative City. Research time January to April 2020 and 2022. Investigation of research topic, submission of research title, analyzing and processing of instrument pre-research test data. May until May 2022 until November 2023 in the process of preparing and submitting research proposal, processing instrument tests, distributing questionnaires, and data processing, as well as data analysis. This is from Picture of Constellation of Research Relationship. Work-life balance is X, happiness is Y, self-esteem is Z. Research method, quantitative research method, descriptive research use survey method like Likert scale, data analysis, outer model analysis, inner model analysis, hypothesis testing, analysis tool, partial least square, or PLS. Population and sample technique, random sampling, population 1994, private vocational school, teacher in Mampang Perapatan district, sample of all respondent 76, teacher. This is the last from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.